afternoon viewers, welcome back again to this channel. In this episode we are going to be adding this magnet ferrites to this car. Okay, if you see here, this is the ferrites, and the body itself, it is made of plastic, and there's two magnets plates on them. So as you guys can see, I don't know if they actually do anything or can change the engine behavior, since there are so many claims on this product and science behind it. If you can Google it yourself, you'll see why they work on many electrical wires. So in this purpose of video, after we have completed installing these ferrites to this car, supposedly it will give a better electrical current output, which will produce a better engine response. And now, where do we install this product? Let me show you under the hood. And without further ado, let's get to work. Okay, so we will be installing the ferrites onto this ignition coil plug wires. 1, 2, 3, 4. To do that, it's very easy. Unplug this connection first. Get your ferrites. Simply snap it in place. So, use cable tie to secure it. Do this to all 4 connectors. Complete. Alright, so we have the ferrites installed. Now we are going to go for the test drive, see whether these things make any difference.